Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are back. This will be a quick video, I promise. Jessica Flynn of Flynn Sisters Boutique recently said in one of her videos that you can use a water slide, you can apply a water slide graphic directly to a spray painted cup. You do not need a layer of epoxy first. So that's what I'm going to test. This cup has been spray painted with matte white paint, and then I added 2 layers of gloss clear, Rust-Oleum 2X gloss clear, so it has a smooth, shiny finish. And that is what we are going to try to apply our graphic to. She said it would work. So we're going to test that theory. I could also have just spray painted this with a couple coats of white, or any color really, light color for the water slide, but any color of gloss spray paint, and then you can avoid the gloss clear over the top. But since I only had white in matte, flat white, I needed to spray with the gloss clear because it's the gloss finish you're going for here that's going to make this work, supposedly. So, and once again, of course, I printed my water slide right side up, not reverse. So I have to put it on the right way, not my reverse hack way. And we'll see if I can make all of this work. Some paper towels. Have my squeegee tool. Now I just need my water slide to be ready to go. Once I get done applying the compass, I'm just going to keep talking while this is thinking. I will have a saying below it. It took me a long time to figure out what saying I wanted. I was thinking of let your heart be your compass, let your passion be your compass. The Carole King song, where you lead, I will follow. There's a J.R.R. Tolkien quote. There's a couple of other, Henry Thoreau had a compass quote or a directional quote of some kind. I've been looking at these all day, and I finally settled on life is a journey, not a destination. I think that'll work. That'll be in text below this graphic. Okay, here we go. I'll stop talking as much. Okay, because I'm putting words below, I'm going to move this up a bit, like that. See if I've got it relatively straight. Since it's a compass, that would be helpful. Okay, pat it dry. Ish. And then use my squeegee tool to get out all the water from underneath. Again, for those of you who didn't watch the last video where I talked about how I did these water slides, this is inkjet matte finish water slide paper. I will link below, Amazon. And I spray very liberally with 2 coats of Rust-Oleum 2X clear, and then a very generous layer of Plastidip glossifier spray. Again, links below. And it gives me a pretty tough, all things considered, water slide decal to work with. Not nearly as fragile as if you just sprayed with the Rust-Oleum clear and nothing else. The Plastidip glossifier really helps toughen this up so that you can work with it. All right, there we go. She's right, it works. So now I'm going to put the text below it. I'm going to put another graphic on the back, maybe one on the bottom. And then when I'm all done and those have dried, I will take it outside and spray it with matte clear spray, because I still want that matte finish before I put the epoxy resin layer on. So the resin has something to cling to. So all my graphics will go on, the words will go on, then matte clear spray to seal it all in, and then epoxy resin, and we'll have another cup. Isn't that beautiful? I love that graphic. I will link to this below. This was something I found in a Google search, and I will link to that below as well if you want to use that. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.